Word cards. Create worksheets. Generate worksheets with your custom settings. Insert into mozaBook. Insert the content from the tool into your publication. Let's find out how to create a worksheet with the Word Cards tool. You can create up to 4 different types of exercises with the Word Cards tool. Click on this icon if you want to ask for the word class of the word in the exercise. Click on this icon to syllabify the word and then export it to the test editor, where the program creates a chains exercise with that particular word and some other words in the same word class. Display the example sentence and then create a gap-filling exercise. Display the word classes and then choose some to create a sets exercise in which you have to drag the words to the corresponding word class. Click on the numbers or arrows to see all exported exercises. Edit the exercise. You can replace any words that do not make much sense in the sentence and save them for later. Save it to your exercise book so it can be used later. Visit our website for further information on mozaBook tools.